Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from PayPal to your debit card in 2025. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid through PayPal or just need to move funds quickly for everyday expenses, this guide will make the process a breeze. By 2025, PayPal has streamlined its interface with even more security features, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account on the app or website. If you haven't already, verify your debit card. PayPal might ask for additional details like your card's CVV or a small verification hold to ensure everything's secure. This step is crucial for protecting your money in today's digital world. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Balance section. You'll see your available funds right there. Click on the Transfer Money option, which is usually front and center. Now, select your debit card as the destination. PayPal supports most major banks, so if your card is linked, it should pop up easily. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. Keep an eye on any potential fees. By 2025, these are typically minimal, around 1 to 2% depending on your location, but always double check. Hit Confirm and review the details one last time. PayPal will send you a confirmation email or notification, and the transfer usually processes within 1 to 3 business days. A quick tip: if you're in a rush, look for instant transfer options if available in your region. They might cost a bit extra but can get your money to your debit card in minutes. Also, ensure your account has sufficient funds to avoid any hiccups. And there you have it. Transferring money from PayPal to your debit card is straightforward and secure. Give it a try, and if you run into any issues, PayPal's Help Center is packed with resources. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.